This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 251 rupees is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features LP detector, slide-out, refrigerator, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.